If you want to restart your iPhone 17e, we have two ways to do so. So the first method is to simply turn off the phone and then turn it back on, because there is no dedicated restart button available by default on this phone. So for this reason, you can use, for example, the side button and the volume down button. If you press and hold for a couple of seconds, there we go, then you will open this power menu. You can access the power menu by pressing and holding power, or actually the side button and volume up as well. So it doesn't matter if you use volume down or volume up, you just have to hold one of them with the side button. And then of course, once this menu pops up, you should be able to slide the power button to the right side. And then once the phone is completely off, you can press and hold the side button to turn the phone back on. Of course, you can also access the power menu by using the power button here in the control center. The power button is located in the upper right corner, so if you press and hold your finger on that button and then you feel a little vibration, then you can lift the finger and then you can slide to power off as well. However, there is a restart button available on iPhone 17e, but we need to actually go through some of the settings on the phone in order to find it. So we're gonna open accessibility in the settings. Then over here we need to find the touch option, and then we need to go to the assistive touch and we need to turn it on. Now in the assistive touch we can go to customize top level menu, and by default we use 6 icons, but we can increase it, for example, to 7, or you can replace one of these available ones. And from this list you should be able to find the restart option, so we can select it over here and tap on this check in the upper right corner. Now we can tap on this assistive menu button and you can find the restart button, and there we go. Now we can tap on restart in order to do so. And now just wait for the iPhone to reboot. Leave a like and subscribe.